What's up, y'all? Good afternoon. So did put intercooler in the car. Well, there wasn't an intercooler, but I put a bigger intercooler in the car today. What the hell is going on? Hold on 1 second. So as I'm saying, put the intercooler in the car, or a bigger one actually. I had that one. I'm actually recording this on my phone right now. That one, it's kind of grainy as hell. Then I put this one. Next one was too small, so this one's gonna be perfect now. I also relocated the mass airflow sensor into right here. All right, just start it up right now to make sure everything's good. So yeah, don't have to have the mass airflow sensor in front of there no more. That thing sounds good. Actually, don't have to have it in front of the turbo no more. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this little filter right here for the time being, for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get a bigger one and put on there. Just kind of looks better right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Got some more stuff I gotta do to the car this week. Got to change the tie rod ends and the lower control arm thing, the bushing that's always going back, that makes the wheel go back and forth. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Trying to catch as much as this because I want this to be the thumbnail part of the video. I can't seem to get my engine to be the thumbnail. I mean, I do video parts of the engine and stuff, but it's just not going as a thumbnail. So yeah, did up a little stuff, you know. And then this one right here just looks a lot better. Now I'm gonna have to put on the bumper. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it goes on with no issues. And that's higher than the other one. I'm gonna lift it up a little bit more. Hopefully I can lift it up a little bit more. I'm not sure, but yeah, let's see what happens. But yeah, that's about it. The thing about it too, I don't want to remove this just in case something should ever happen. Just in case, don't want the hit coming in here alone, you know. Hit. I'm not saying I want to get hit, but yeah, just in case. I wonder how this thing sounds at red line now. Yeah, sounds better than before. So let's see how this thing works. It's gonna be a short video. I don't think I got anything more left to say. I'm just gonna go put my bumper on right now. That intercooler right there is for sale. Basically, it was only being used for a short period of time. And this thing spins and spins and spins. This thing does not stop. Just keeps on spinning. Oh my god. So yeah, that's what's up with it right now. So I'm gonna put my bumper back on and then whatever. Should be good. Oh hey. I'll talk to y'all later. Thank y'all for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Share the video too. There's a lot more stuff left to come. Alright, so y'all have a good day. Alright, thank you.